An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Here's how an apple can save you. So when you are eating foods that are acidic, usually the body, what it will do, it will show you a sign that the food you're eating is acidic. It will cough up mucus. And if you don't do anything about it and you continue eating that food, eventually that mucus is going to be suppressed and made into and sent into the subacute stage. Okay, so the mucus, when it comes out, is the acute stage. If you ignore it and continue eating the same foods like animal products and cooked starches, the body keeps on pushing on the mucus and buries it down deep. Now, if you try an acidic food and you want to get instant relief from the mucus or to neutralize that mucus, have an apple. The apple is a great neutralizer of mucus. So let's say you had a milk by mistake and you felt the buildup in your throat. Well, you will have an apple, and the apple will tend to neutralize that acid. Very powerful fruit, okay? Great neutralizer of acids. Always keep it handy. Don't eat the bad foods to begin with, but if you do and you need a boost to help you to fix that mucus buildup, an apple will help you.